students, very warm welcome to all of you. How are you all? Hope all you are absolutely well. So today we will solve the last four question of exercise 15.1. At first question number 22. Two dice, one blue and one grey are thrown at the same time. Write down all the possible outcomes and complete the table. So you have to write the all possible outcomes. Two dice, दो डाइस को एक ही साथ थ्रो किया गया, एक ब्लू और एक ग्रे है. सो हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर देयर? एक ब्लू डाइस है, सो यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स एंड हियर आल्सो 6 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. सो टोटल 36 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, 6 रो एंड 6 कॉलम. तो 6 into 6 36 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. अब किस तरह से देखिए, मान लीजिए जब आपने दो डाइस को एक ही साथ आपने थ्रो किया, फर्स्ट डाइस में ब्लू डाइस में आपको 1 मिला, ग्रे डाइस में आपको 1 मिला. सो 1, 1. मान लीजिए आपको ब्लू डाइस में 1 मिला एंड ग्रे में 2, सो 1, 2. इसी तरह ब्लू में 1, ग्रे में 3, ब्लू में 1, ग्रे में 4, ब्लू में 1, ग्रे में 5, ब्लू में 1, ग्रे में 6. इसी तरह मान लीजिए ब्लू में 2, ग्रे में 1, ब्लू में 2, ग्रे में 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. सिमिलरली या तो ब्लू में 3, ग्रे में 1, ब्लू में 3, ग्रे में 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. And last ब्लू में 6 मिला, ग्रे में 1, ब्लू में 6, ग्रे में 2, ब्लू में 6, ग्रे में 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So there are 36 possible outcomes. Now complete the given table. Sum of two dice and their probability. Sum of two dice is equal to 2. Sum of two dice, only one possible outcomes. 1 plus 1 only 2. No other numbers are there. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So sum of two dice is equal to 2. So only one possible outcomes. So probability, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, that is 1 upon 36. Similarly, sum of two dice 3. That means 2 plus 1 3 and 1 plus 2 3. That means this two possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes, that means 2 upon 36. 4. Sum of two dice 4. 1 plus 3 4. 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 1 4. So that means this 3. So probability 3 upon 36. 5. 1 plus 4 5. 2 plus 3 5. 3 plus 2 5. 4 plus 1 5. So that means this 4 possible outcomes. So 4 upon 36. Sum of two dice is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 6. 2 plus 4 6. 3 plus 3 4 plus 2 5 plus 1. So ये जितने भी है ये सब possible outcomes हो सकता है. So that means 1 2 3 4 5. 5 upon 36. 7. 1 plus 6 7. 2 plus 5 7. 3 plus 4 7. 4 plus 3 5 plus 2 or 6 plus 1. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 upon 36. 6. 8. 6 plus 2, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5. This 5. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 upon 36, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Or 6 plus 3, 9. This 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 upon 36. Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. 10, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 5, 10 or 6 plus 4. This 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 upon 36 and 11, 5, 6 or 6, 5. 2 upon 36 and last one is 1 upon 36. Only 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now next part. Our students argues that there are 11 possible outcomes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability 1 upon 11. Do you agree with this argument? No, because we do not agree. Because students is saying that there are 11 possible outcomes. But we know that there are 36 possible outcomes. So you can write we do not, second part. We do not agree because students is saying that one student's question is a student. So student is saying that there are 11 possible outcomes. 11 possible outcomes. But we know that there are 36 possible outcomes. And next part, probability, each of them 1 by 11. So this is also not true because there are different probabilities each of them. Next question, question number 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcomes. So question number 23. 1 rupee coin को 3 times, tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times. So how many possible outcomes are there? Head, tail and head, tail. How many possible outcomes are there? या तो तीनों में हेड आएगा और 3 टेल, 2 हेड आने की, 2 हेड्स आने की क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है? 2 हेड्स या फर्स्ट प्लेस में हेड, सेकंड प्लेस में हेड, या तो फर्स्ट प्लेस में हेड, थर्ड प्लेस में हेड, और या तो सेकंड और थर्ड प्लेस में हेड. 2 हेड आने की ये 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज है. सिमिलरली 2 टेल आने की क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है? 2 टेल आने की, सो 2 टेल ये फर्स्ट 2 प्लेस में टेल, अदरवाइज फर्स्ट में लास्ट में टेल और लास्ट 2 में टेल. सो देयर आर टोटल 8 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And question is, Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result. That means 3 heads or 3 tails. In this case, Hanif will win the games. Otherwise loses this game. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So Hanif will lose the game. In this case, how many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of Hanif will lose the game is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. Here number of favorable outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 upon total number of outcomes 8. That means 3 upon 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 upon 4. Now next question, question number 24. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either times? And second part is 5 will come up at least once. So 5 will not come up either times means 5 किसी और नंबर के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. That means 2 5 or 5 3 1 5 ये नहीं चाहिए. 5 will not come up either times. That means 2 3 1 6 इस तरह के जो possibilities है वो चाहिए. So as question number 22, there are 36 possible outcomes when two dice is thrown. When a die thrown is twice. So how many possible outcomes there? So at first, find the probability of 5 will come up either times. Question number 24. So 5 will come up either times. इस तरह के कितने possibilities हो सकता है? 5 will come up either times. या 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5 और 5, 1. फर्स्ट प्लेस में 5, सेकंड प्लेस में 1. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट डाइस में 5, सेकंड डाइस में 1. 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 ऑलरेडी हो गया. 6 5 6. That means there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 possible outcomes. So probability of 5 will come up either times 11 upon 36. So 36 में 11 में 5 है तो 5 will not come up. इस तरह के कितने possibilities है? 36 minus 11. That means 25. So you have to find the probability of 5 will not come up. Not come up either time. That means there are 25 possible outcomes and total number of outcomes 36. And second part, 5 will come up at least once. So 11 upon 36. Probability of 5 will come up at least once. That means 11 upon 36. That's the answer. Now next question, question number 25. Question number 25. Which of the following arguments are correct and which are not correct? Give reason for your answer. So first question is, if two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each. Therefore, each of these outcomes and probability is 1 upon 3. So here given condition is, if two coins are tossed, when two coins, these 2 coins are tossed. So how many possible outcomes are there? या दोनों में हेड आए, हेड हेड और टेल टेल, और एक में हेड, फर्स्ट प्लेस में हेड, सेकंड प्लेस में टेल, और फर्स्ट प्लेस में टेल, सेकंड प्लेस में head. So total 4 outcomes are there. Head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head. So here the probability of getting 2 heads. So probability of getting 2 heads. 2 heads आने की probability 1. So 1/4 number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Similarly, probability of getting 2 tails is equal to 1/4 number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, and probability of getting one of each means दोनों में से एक एक होना चाहिए, हेड टेल और टेल हेड. वो प्लेस, यहाँ पे प्लेस मैटर नहीं करेगा. या यहाँ पे तो ऐसे 2 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स है, फर्स्ट प्लेस में हेड, सेकंड प्लेस में टेल. सो इस तरह के 2 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स है. 2/4 दैट मीन्स हाफ. So the given condition or given probability is 1/3 is not true. And second part, if a die is thrown, there are 2 possible outcomes, an odd number and even number. Of course, when in an experiment of throwing a die, there are possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So that means 3 odd number and 3 even number. 2 possible outcomes, odd number and even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number. Probability of getting an odd number. Getting an odd number. So number of possible outcomes 3 and total number of outcomes 6. That means half. That's the answer. Thank you.